Want to create a high-end social media ad for your product? Today, I'll show you how to go from a simple idea to a professional design using AI and Photoshop. Let's dive in. First, head over to Gemini. Upload your raw product image and paste your background prompt. Gemini will analyze your product and generate a professional environment. Pick the best one and hit download. Now let's polish it in Photoshop. Open your file and let's fix the framing. Use the Generative Fill tool to seamlessly expand the background and fill in any empty areas. To make the colors pop, hit Shift plus Control plus A for the Camera Raw filter. Boost the contrast and texture for that premium look. Finally, paste your post text, choose a bold font, and you're done. Professional designs in minutes. Like, subscribe and share for more AI design tips.